Hello guys, welcome back to Catastrophe. So today we are draw this simple coffee mug in SolidWorks 2023. So let's begin. Go to part and select part. OK. From sketch, select one plane. I choose front plane. Now make one center line and now select two lines. One is here and another one is here. Again select a spline. From here to here, make one spline. Again select line command and now select 3-point arc. From this point to this point, make one arc. OK. Now give its dimensions, which is this is 92 mm, this 4 mm, and from this point to this point, this is also 4 mm, and this point to this point is 3 mm, and this line is 58. Arc radius is 240. Okay. Last from here to here, its height it's 152. Okay. See, our drawing is fully defined. And exit, go to feature, revolve pause base, yes. Okay. Now take cell command, select this base and cell thickness is 4 mm. Okay. See. Now choose normal, front plane, sketch. Okay. Now select 3-point arc and from here to here make one arc, and again from this point to this point make another arc, and these two arcs are in tangent relation. Okay. Make these two tangent. Okay. Now give its dimensions. Before give dimension, make one center line. Now from this point to this line, this is 120. This arc is 34 mm, and from this point to this line it's 148 mm. This height is, let's say, 56 mm, and from this point to this line is 132. Okay. Our drawing is fully defined. Okay. Now exit from this and go to reference plane. Select this line and this point and make one plane. And from this plane go to sketch. Select center rectangle and make one rectangle, give its dimensions, which is 12 mm and 18 mm, and from sketch fillet give sketch fillet to just 2 mm and select this four corner point. Okay, see, our drawing is now underdefined. It's because the relation here, select this point and this line, sorry, this point and this line, make relation pairs. Okay, exit, go to feature and select swept boss base and select this line. Here select both sides and from options check this align and faces. Okay, see, our drawing is ready now, and now you can give some colors from here. Sorry, before color, make one thing, go to fillet, select round fillet and this part, this part and this part. Okay, this is round now. See, now go to colors, select one color from your perspective and go to appearances, glass, and I choose here texture, glass fiber. Okay, again select color. See, our drawing is ready. For better view, you can check this pen white. See, it's ready. So thank you guys. If you like, then please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.